This video is intended to be a guideline for ProGen plank replacement. For complete details, refer to the complete rigid core plank replacement instructions. Always remember to use plywood when moving appliances or heavy furniture across ProGen flooring. In the case of household accidents, Tarkett offers complete instructions to replace a single plank of your ProGen flooring. Begin by using a straight edge to clearly mark the damaged plank at the center, approximately 1 inch from the edge of the adjoining planks. Use a scrap piece of material, set a circular saw to the depth of the plank. Carefully cut the plank along the markings. Take care not to damage the adjacent planks. Sweep away all debris to keep the work area clean. Using a utility knife or multi-tool, carefully remove the center portion of the damaged plank. It may be helpful to add indicator lines to the remaining scraps of the damaged plank, as the joints in some lighter designs are hard to see. Using a power drill with an 1/8 inch bit, drill from each corner back into the inside edge of your cutout portion. Space these holes about 1/16 of an inch apart. Repeat this step on all 4 corners of the plank. Using a sharp chisel or utility knife, cut cleanly through the remaining scrap between the drill holes. Carefully remove the edges of the cut plank. Take care not to damage any adjacent planks. Again, sweep the area to remove all debris. Ensure that no remaining scrap is on the substrate or in the locking mechanisms of adjoining planks, as this will interfere with your new plank being able to lay flat. Take the new replacement plank to an area where you can cut without damaging your existing flooring. Prepare the replacement plank by removing the tongue and groove on each short end, as well as the groove on the long side. This will leave only the original tongue of the long side unaltered. Additional modifications may be necessary to remove all remaining material from the 3 sides where the original locking mechanisms have been removed. The final edge should angle back towards the center of the plank in a bevel of approximately 45 degrees. Test fit your modified plank within the existing flooring. Make sure to align the one remaining unmodified tongue in the long joint groove of the existing installation. Once the plank is modified correctly, it will lay flush on all 4 sides. Remove the replacement plank and prepare the opening with the Tarkett S-875 floating seam tape. Place a piece centered under all 4 sides of the existing planks. Remove the release liner from half of the adhesive strip around all 4 sides. Make sure that the adhesive areas of the seam tape do not overlap at any point. Use a hand roller to ensure bond. Remove the remaining release liners to allow the replacement plank to be laid in. Using a PVA glue such as Elmer's Glue All, apply a thin bead around the entire perimeter of the cutout area. Position the replacement plank by inserting the tongue of the long side into the groove of the existing plank. Press down firmly to ensure the replacement plank lays flat into the joints. Using a damp white rag, wipe any excess adhesive from the surface of the planks. Roll the joints with a hand roller to ensure bond with both the S-875 seam tape and the adhesive applied in the joints. Reduce traffic on the plank for 24 hours to allow the adhesive to dry.